All right, welcome back everybody. We're going to do a review on this cucumber right here, and this cucumber is a cross between a lemon cucumber and I believe with a Sikkim cucumber. It's either that or a little potato. Pretty confident it was a cross with a Sikkim cucumber. I didn't plan this cross, it kind of came naturally, and I saved the seed from it. This happened a while ago too. I saved the seeds from it, and then I decided to plant them out this year and see what comes out of it. And it came out to pretty much the same way from what I saved the seeds from the first time. So this is what it looks like. It's basically a lemon cucumber. This is what a lemon cucumber looks like. It's a small one. Generally they look like that. You get lemony. You get this little bonnet on the bottom, and they get these stripes on it, and that would be your lemon cucumber. Well, this is a cracked lemon, and that's what I'm calling it for now. Cracked lemon, because they will get cracked. Now this particular cucumber is fully ripe. When it comes out, when it's first forming, it's going to look like a regular cucumber. It's going to look like a regular lemon cucumber. But if you leave them on a plant long enough, they eventually turn into this, which is not normally what lemon cucumbers usually do. So they turn into this eventually. All right, so there's your bottom. It gets this weird looking bottom to it. Very similar to the regular lemon cucumbers do that. Here's one. You can see the bottoms kind of come out like a bonnet, almost like a gourd. And again, it's got that cracked pattern on it, which is really unique. And that's what it looks like. So let's cut one of these open and get an idea what it looks like on the inside. Wow, I've been cutting so many tomatoes, my knife is actually getting dull. Well, that one might be a little overripe. Let's try this one. These actually been sitting out a while, guys. Okay, so it's like your typical cucumber on the inside. I'll even cut this one open for you. Now, it's a pretty good producer. It doesn't, you know, from what I'm seeing on it, it doesn't produce as good as the lemon cucumber itself, but it does produce a pretty good amount of cucumber. So I'm not sure. I never fully grew this thing out by itself. All right, so that's what it looks like on the inside. We'll do a quick taste test for you. I know it's going to be tangy because he's been sitting out a while. So we're not going to go and taste the seed part of it. We'll just taste this. Okay, in general, it has like a cucumber flavor, but this thing almost has a little bit of sweetness to it. I'm wondering if it picked up maybe some watermelon or something. So one of my melon plants crossed with it. I'll taste that. Pretty smooth. It's got a very nice smooth flavor. Skins are going to be a little on the thick side. They're very thick, but they break up and chew nicely. You're just going to have to chew it, but it breaks up nicely. It's not like trying to chew an apple skin where you got to it's like chewing leather. This isn't quite the same thing. This actually snaps around. Every bite snaps. So it's a pretty good effect on the skin. But if you eat these while they're young, they're really good. They're not. You got to eat them before they actually even start turning yellow. You want to eat them when they're in their green stage, when it's still kind of green like a ball. You eat them like that, they're really good. You wait till they get like this, it's already too late for them when they're this size. They're too big already. But it's a good cucumber, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'll offer a couple samples of this seed. I don't necessarily think I'm going to be able to offer, tons of it. I'm not going to have it by the pound, but I'll offer a few orders for it. So some of you guys who want to try this, you can pick it up and grow it for yourself and see what comes out of it for you. Again, this is only like maybe the second or third time I grew this, so maybe an F2 or an F3. So I don't really know, I don't know how stable it is basically. So it could try to convert back, but whatever the case is, I'll give you the seeds from this plant, and you can grow them out and see if they come in true to you. Again, I'm calling it cracked cucumber because that's really all I know it by. I'm calling it cracked lemon cucumber, and that's really the only name that really applies to it. It's just a cracked lemon. So don't know what else to say about it. I'll put whatever information I have on it in the description below. You can read about it there. I will leave the link below as well. That'll take you over to the webpage. And if you want to try to grow it yourself and purchase seeds, well, then give it a go. We'll have seeds available for you. And really, that's about it, guys. That was just a quick review on this cracked lemon cucumber. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.